Hello and welcome to this edition of GEMS Tutorials. In this video, we'll talk about getting started with GEMS cloud services. Geotechnical engineering modeling software, GEMS, specializes in feature-rich, easy-to-use CAD software for foundation design and analysis. The GEMS Foundation Analysis Suite software is available for use on Windows-based PCs, Macs, and using any browser on the cloud. Some key highlights of the GEMS Cloud. You can access all the software modules that are part of the GEMS Foundation Suite. All applications are hosted on our website, www.gemsoftware.org. Runs in any modern browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, etc. No installations or browser plugins are required. All connections are secure and run over encrypted HTTPS, and you get to use the latest software all the time. For users with paid subscriptions, one can drag and drop model files, reports from and to the cloud, copy-paste results between the local computer and the cloud application. So click on the Cloud Trial button or the Cloud on the GEMS Help page, and it'll take you to the Cloud Services page. So let's get started in 3 easy steps. Sign up by filling the sign up sheet to create an account with this. Get your login credentials via email. I've already gotten mine via email, and the email should look something like this. You'll get your username and password. Let me copy my password. My username is GEMSB. And finally, click on the login button. It will open a new browser tab. You can see the connection is secure and encrypted. Let me type my username and paste my password and click the login button. What you see on screen is your cloud desktop. On the taskbar menu, you see the GEMS Foundation Analysis Suite applications. For tablet users, if you slide from left end of the screen to the right, you will see some additional options to set up your keyboard and connection parameters. You can select the text input, which is an emulated keyboard for use, as you don't have a physical keyboard. For desktop users, you can type Ctrl-Alt-Shift for the same, but you don't need to worry about this, and you can use a regular keyboard. So from the taskbar, let's launch Beam Foundation Analysis. Similarly, one can launch comprehensive pile and offshore pile foundation analysis applications. The look and feel is similar to what you would get on an application running on a PC or a Mac. You have the projects pane for entering the project details, input parameters for entering the details of the beam foundation, beam properties, soil properties, and load cases, and analysis panes for viewing the results. Now you can enter the data just like you would enter it on a regular application. So let's say I put a beam of 10 meters, select a breadth of 1 meter beam, 10 meters here, depth of half a meter, and segment 10 of 610. So the entry is very similar. You see the beam being created. Similarly, you can select your beam properties, soil properties, load cases, and run the analysis. Now, fields marked with a star are mandatory. You need to give the details. And you also have a simple help here. Every place you need a simple help, you can press the question mark, which lights up, which tells you what you need to specify. And you can click on the details, which will open the associated help. So it's fairly intuitive, and anytime you need help, you can actually open the help. So you can save your work just like any application. Your work gets stored. Let's say we will store our work in My Files. and type your file name, and you can save the project. So my first project and save. So there's also a My Files folder, which you can see, which has your files saved here. There are also some examples that you can take a look for you to try out. So let's try one of these examples using Beam Foundation software. So let me open example, say 3. So I'll select desktop, My Files, examples, Beam Foundation, say example 3. This is for modeling a foundation of a house. And there's a YouTube video that is also associated with it. You can see that in the projects pane, there's a YouTube video which you can watch to get details on this problem that is being solved. So let's run the analysis quickly. You can select compute, and you can see the results pop up shortly. There you go, fairly fast. The analysis using discrete spring bed or Winkler model and elastic half space model are available for viewing. For those of you so these are the analysis. Now, for those of you with paid subscriptions, you can transfer files back and forth, export results to your local computer. So let's try one of this. So let's click File, Export to Excel. We select the thin client drive, download, example 3.xl, X, save. The results are being exported. The export is complete, and now you see the file getting downloaded to your local computer on the browser. So let's just click and take a look. Launch Excel. So you have the project details, the beam diagram, load diagrams, results, etc. Now, similarly, you can also copy paste results back and forth for paid users. Let me just select these data from the results, copy, and then I'll launch my editor here and then paste. As simple as that. I have my results pasted here. Now, let me just close this and log out from now. So let's a quick demo. Now, the cloud is especially useful if your organization doesn't allow you to install software on your computer, or you wish to carry your analysis models and results around, perhaps to your client site. You can also try the cloud version for free for 30 days. After this, you can continue using it by subscribing to our cloud services. You can find details on the levels of subscription on our cloud page. For any queries, feel free to contact us at support@gemsoftware.org. Thank you for watching.